Good morning. It's an interesting phenomenon that going back to my earliest days in wood carving, I've never been able to really see my pieces until I see a photograph of them. And just now, well actually last night and again just now looking at the video of yesterday's work, I'm really pleased with what happened here. The other thing I realized last night was that the key to this whole thing working now is the stippling. That's what did it. As hopefully you can see in these photographs, this is not a solid color, this is stippled throughout. And it is that, not particularly the texture, but the stippling, the variations in the dots, that is giving this what I wanted. So I'm very happy with that. On another note, I got a note from a friend who said she just noticed that I'd taped up the edges and asked if we were going to have a chance to see it fully exposed, and that's where we're going right now. We're going to take the tape off. I hope it comes off cleanly. If it doesn't, I'll be able to deal with it, but it's time to take the tape off. It's been on there for a very long time. That's why I have some concern about it coming off cleanly. This is not painter's tape. This is just regular masking tape. And we've got a little bleed through right there, which I'll be able to clean up. I can actually bleed through there too. It's coming off fairly clean. I can see it bled through a lot of spots and blocked a couple of spots. There's going to be some touch-up required here. Ooh, a lot of bleed through up there. Nice, that came off nicely. Oh, a lot of bleed through. Wow. Boom. Wow. Nice. Now the bleed through will not be difficult to take care of because actually I could just get the door paint and roll the edges because this is all below level. So I can carefully roll the edges, redo the white, and then I can redo the green as needed. Because I've got to do more green anyway to bring it back into the tree. But these areas that have been missed on the tree itself, those are going to be a little more difficult to touch up and keep consistent with what's going on. Particularly right here you can see it. I'll get a close-up of that. You can see what's happening there. So that will be my next step, is to clean up. And I've still got a few splatters all over the door to take care of. So we've got some cleanup to do now. But happy with the trunk. Boy, I'm happy with that. That looks really great.